show y'all how to do a Tunisian Smock Stitch in crochet. This turns out to be a super cute little pattern, so I hope y'all enjoy making it with me. To get started, we need to create a foundation chain, and you can do any even number of chains that you want. So for this tutorial, I'm going to make 10 chains. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now it's time to put loops on our hook. So to do that, we want to go to the second chain from our hook. And remember, we never count the one on our hook. So 1, 2, right there, we're going to insert our hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. And we'll do that in all the remaining chains as well. So we should end up with 10 loops. So here's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. And we're going to keep pulling through 2 loops until we reach the end of the row. So over, 2, over, 2, and 2, 2, 2, and 2. That gives us vertical stitches so that we can start working our pattern into them. So for this row, we're going to skip the first vertical stitch and insert our hook underneath the next 2 stitches, grab the yarn and pull it through. Then for the remainder of the row, we're going to be yarning under. So normally we go over the hook, but to do a yarn under, we're going under the hook. So we're going to hold it with our finger to make sure it doesn't come off. Insert our hook underneath the next 2 vertical stitches, grab the yarn, and pull it through. So we're going to repeat that to the end. So we're yarning under, holding, inserting under the next 2 stitches, grabbing the yarn, and pulling it through. Under, hold, under the next 2 stitches, grab the yarn, and pull it through. And for the last one, we're going to yarn under and just insert a hook under it, grab the yarn, and pull it through. So this should still give us 10 loops. We should always have the same number of loops when we start a new one. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So just like before, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And we'll keep pulling through 2 until we reach the end of the row. So there's 2, and 2, and 2, 2, 2, and our last 2. All right, so for this row, we're going to skip the first one and pull up a single loop in our next one. And then we're going to insert our hook underneath the next 2 vertical stitches. Grab the yarn, pull it through. And for the remainder, we're going to be yarning over, inserting under 2, and pulling through. So yarn over, go under 2, and pull through. When we get to the last 2, we're going to yarn over, insert into the second to the last, grab the yarn, pull through, and just do a single loop in the last one. So we should still have 10. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And just like before, we're going to yarn over, go through 1, and then yarn over and go through 2. And we'll keep going through 2 until we reach the end of the row. So there's 2, 2, 2, and 2. And that's pretty much the pattern. You just keep repeating rows 3 through 6 until you reach your desired height. And when you get done, you can go across the top with a single crochet and that'll just finish it off. So that's what we're going to do now. So we'll skip this first vertical one, insert into the next, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. And when we get across, we should end up with 9. So whatever number you start with, you should have one less single crochet when you get done. So here's number 2. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So see, it's a pretty simple little pattern. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please subscribe to the channel for more nifty tutorials and patterns. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.